Let's see the number of occurrences of a character in a string. Okay, for example, if I just take a word, word is equal to, let's try to mention some of the one of the word. Okay, we just mention it as commando. Okay, so now let's try to run this particular cell. Okay, so now I will mention character is equal to, so here I want this particular character m. Okay, so in this particular word commando, let's see the number of occurrences of the character m. Okay, so now let's try to run this. Okay, so now let's try to initialize this to 0. Let's count is equal to 0. Okay, so for I in word, if I is equal to character, okay, then count plus is equal to 1. Okay, so finally print of count. Now let's try to run this particular cell. Okay, so here you can see the number of occurrences of the character m in this particular word commando is 2. Okay, so here what we are doing is first we'll mention the variable word is equal to commando and character is equal to m, because we want to see the number of occurrences of the character m in this particular word commando. Okay, first let us initialize that as a 0, because we don't know how many number of times the character m is present in this particular word. Okay, so now when it comes to this particular explanation of this code for I in word, okay, so for the character m in this particular word commando, if the first character in this particular word, that is commando, if it is m, count it as 1. If it is not, make it as 0. Okay, so here the first character is not m, so that's why it is mentioned it as 0. The second character is also not m, that's why it is mentioned it as 0. Okay, and the third character is m, so that's why here it is 1. And the fourth character, that is also m, that's why it is mentioned as 2. Okay, so that's why it is counting plus 1 from here onwards. Okay, so similarly, so these last 4 characters are not m, that's why it is retained as 2 as it is. So this is how you can count the number of occurrences of the character in a particular string. Okay, so don't forget to like this particular video, follow for